Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Today, we're taking a look at mintmoney.com, a personal finance website that promises to help you manage your money effectively. But what exactly does it offer, and is it the right tool for you? Let's dive in and explore the features and functionalities this platform provides. Mintmoney.com boasts a comprehensive suite of tools designed to simplify your financial life. From budgeting and expense tracking to investment monitoring and even credit score checks, it aims to be a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. The platform's core strength lies in its ability to aggregate information from various sources, such as bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts, providing a holistic view of your finances in one convenient dashboard. This aggregation feature allows users to see exactly where their money is going, identifying spending patterns and potential areas for savings. By categorizing transactions automatically, mintmoney.com provides valuable insights into spending habits, helping users make informed decisions about their finances. Furthermore, the platform offers personalized budgeting tools, allowing users to set financial goals and track their progress towards achieving them. You can establish budgets for various categories like groceries, entertainment, and transportation, receiving alerts when you're approaching your spending limits. Beyond budgeting, mintmoney.com also provides tools for managing investments. Users can link their investment accounts to track portfolio performance, monitor asset allocation, and even receive personalized investment advice. This comprehensive approach to financial management makes mintmoney.com a potentially valuable tool for anyone looking to gain greater control over their finances. However, as with any online platform that handles sensitive financial data, security is a paramount concern. Mintmoney.com utilizes various security measures, including encryption and multi-factor authentication, to protect user information. It's always wise to research and understand the security protocols in place before entrusting any platform with your financial data. Ultimately, the effectiveness of mintmoney.com depends on the individual user and their willingness to actively engage with the platform. Its tools and features can be incredibly powerful, but only if utilized consistently and thoughtfully. If you're looking for a platform to help you organize, track, and manage your finances, mintmoney.com is certainly worth considering. Be sure to visit their website at mintmoney.com to learn more and explore what they have to offer. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts on mintmoney.com and what other personal finance platforms you recommend.